Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the 2025 batch 3, okay, students were asking batch 4 actually, because batch 3 is already running. So people were asking the launch about this, and the exam date also, it is on May 25. So you roughly have kind of 265 days for preparation. Okay, 265 days timetable is what we are going to launch now, and it will start next Monday. Today is Monday, August 26. So next Monday, September 2, it will start and it will go on till May 24. It's a self-study plan. It is for 2025 students, and you will be guided on prelims and mains of what to do each day, and that will be there in the timetable which we give you, which I will show you in this particular video itself. Okay, 2026 students, you already have a 650-day plan, and maybe one more batch we'll announce next week, so wait for that. Okay, so this batch which I announced starting of this month, I could not do the video because of certain health issues and all, and now we are going to launch it. Okay, so you have to prepare for prelims, which is on May 25, mains, which is on August 22, and your interview will be around November to February time the next year after that. Okay, so this is what you are preparing for. So let's see it one by one. The dates, if you see, September 2nd, if you start, you will get 121 days this year, that is before the new year, and after new year you will get 144 days. So total you will get 265 days. Okay, you will get total 265 days to prepare for this prelims plus main. So we will give you an Excel sheet. This is like the each tab of Excel sheet where study summary and all these things are there. Okay, this 99 prelims test PDF will be given, 25 mains test with evaluation will be given, and each month what to do, everything will be given here in each tab. So Excel, when you get it on day one after you enroll, you have to go each tab and check what it is. Okay, so compared to this is batch 4. Like that we have done batch 3, which already students are studying, meaning before you also students are preparing. Since July 1 they are studying, which is a 328 timetable. Then before that there was a batch 2 which started on March 1, so they will have more days, that is total 450 days they have been preparing. And before that there was even one more batch which we did, that is batch 1, which started on October 28. Okay, so this is the kind of biggest batch which we launched for the 2025 students. So what you should understand is there are people preparing before you. Okay, so now also if you delay, now also if you don't make use of this 265 days which you have, then you will not be in the race. Okay, you will then have to look for the next year. And why we are launching batch after batch? Because we want result, we want all India toppers, and we shall do anything and everything to get that. Okay, so watch this full video, because this video, like all other videos where we explain like how many questions came from our test series, how we helped you in clearing the UPSC, more strategies for UPSC, subject wise discussion, everything we do so that you understand whether it is worth for you to join or not. Okay, so now again, if you don't know about Vysh IAS, simply go to Google. Okay, not even YouTube, Google, go and type Vysh versus UPSC. All our year by year result videos will come out. Okay, our Instagram page will come, our Facebook page will come. Okay, and you can search our tagline also, India's most trusted UPSC brand. Vysh IAS pages will come out. Okay, so this is for newcomers who don't know about Vysh IAS. Okay, so now some disclaimers so that you decide whether you want to watch this video or not. This is for English medium, so Hindi medium students, we will not be able to help you with this particular program. Then paid test series it is, so don't think it is free. And it's a self-study program where you have to study yourself. We will just give you the timetable and we will give you the schedule wise test. There will be 265 days, and this will be September 2 to May 24. Okay, so full-time working college, anybody can do this, because 4 to 6 hours of study is what we expect, okay, from you. And now with 265 days, you cannot tell like I am a working aspirant, I can study only 2 hours. That won't work, because with this minimum days, you need to prepare at least 4 to 6 hours. Okay, then only you can clear. So what all this will include, this batch 4 which we tell, prelims plus mains batch, 1 year timetable, that is 265 days, editable study timetable. Then there is this guided self-study, in which when I show you timetable you will understand. And our past results, you can see 100 plus marks has been able to solve in the prelims papers. And it's not a guarantee that always it will happen, because UPSC keeps changing their pattern, but because they have been evolving, we also have been evolving. And through our test PDF, okay, which you will get 99 test PDF including current affairs and subject test. Each test will have 100 MCQs, so 9900 MCQs solved it will be, with even news links and all if it is current affair related. There will be another one pack which will have the same question answer PDF plus little bit of video explanation also of those tests itself. It's like an audio explanation, so that instead of reading the PDF, you can just listen to what I explained to you, but it's the same effect. Okay, and then there is mains which has evaluation. Okay, prelims won't have evaluation, it's a self-study question PDF, answer PDF reading thing, and mains you will write and we will evaluate, and also we'll give you the model answer PDF. So you can also, even if you don't write the answer also, you can read and learn also. Okay, so video evaluation will be there, detailed model answer PDF will be there. Then guidance and foundation has always been free at Vysh IAS. Lot of videos including 30 foundation video on day 1 itself you will get. Okay, and you can connect to me in WhatsApp 24/7 as long as your course is valid. Okay, this is the WhatsApp number, not yet saved means immediately save it and send me a hi. Okay, so now next 1 hour, or maybe I'll try to finish it in half an hour, because we have been launching batches after batch. You would already know about us, so we will quickly go through. Okay, this 265 days in September month you will study NCERTs. Okay, meaning you have to read yourself or watch our lectures. Okay, whichever is available, like history and all, class 6, 7, 8 is available, but 12 you have to read it yourself. Okay, then NCERT geography 6 to 12 fully is available, I think, in our channel. 6 to 11 is definitely available. Class 12 also almost it's available. Then Lakshmikant in English language it's fully available. In English partially it's available. So this and all you have to read it. Okay, you have to read it in October, November, which I will show you day by day, hour by hour. I will show you. This is just a summary. Okay, then the mains test series and the mains things will go on for 3-4 months, and after that you will again in between we will be reading the subject test, spectrum and science, environment, this and all. Even if you don't read the textbooks, if you read my test PDF alone also, it will be more than sufficient. Okay, but it's always recommended that you read the textbook. So my timetable will have, like, suppose like October 1 read this chapter, read this chapter, read this chapter, like that. After 10 days and all, then we will give you a test PDF. Then only it makes sense. Okay, like you will read the textbook and then do my test with MCQ. Then it will be very, very helpful for you. Okay, for example, this is the sample of how you will see September 2 onwards. If you enroll to this batch next week, what you have to do, you have to start reading NCERTs. Okay, the first, if you see, close to 10 to 12 days, you have to read class 6 to 8 history and class 6 to 10th geography. Okay, which is easily possible. If you cannot read it, click on these links. These are all hyperlinks. Click on these links. Lectures are there. Free lectures are there. So in 10-12 days, you will get a kind of summary about what is history lower classes telling you. Then we will give you the test PDF based on that. Okay, see, PT 13, PT 14. PT just means prelims test. Okay. See, this also different tabs are there. This Excel I'll give you, okay, when you enroll. So in this particular tab, September 2 to 15 is what we have told what you have to do. Okay, so here you have to read the textbooks or watch the lectures, and then you have to do my test PDF, which is again question PDF, self-reading, and it will be more than sufficient for you. Then you will start reading the higher class. You will start reading NCERT 11. See, this is not hyperlink because I did not do lecture for it, so you have to read it yourself. Then we click on the next tab, okay, which is next to that, which is September 16 to 30. Okay, September 16 to 30. Again, what you have to do, you have to keep reading the higher classes NCERT. Wherever lecture is there, I have given hyperlink. You can click. See, geography class 11 there is lecture. Class 12 there is only one textbook lecture. So wherever is lecture, you can click and watch it for easiness. Else you have to read that textbook yourself. And like this, when you do, you will keep knowing that the textbook itself is giving you most of the information which UPSC usually asks. Okay, UPSC is asking direct questions from these textbook. Last year, at least 10 or 12 questions came directly from geography NCERT. Okay, so you have to read these books, and then we will give you the, like when you click on the next one, suppose this October 1 to 15. Okay, that I will show you after some time. When you click on this, there will be test based on class 12th of the history and geography. So like that, reading, solving, that is the cycle which will go. Okay, and if you can't find any lectures, go to YouTube and simply type Vysh and then the whatever textbook you want, NCERT class 11, Spectrum, Lakshmikant, whatever you type, one playlist will definitely come. Okay, so most of the things will be there. If it doesn't come, that means our test alone will be sufficient. Okay, that is how it is designed. And now this is the summary of the PTs. Okay, if you see PT 1 to 12 is not there in your pack because it's an older current affair. Okay, but still if you want, you can enroll it separately at a small price that you can come and ask in WhatsApp. Okay, PT 13 will be your test number 1. Okay, PT 13 is NCERT history, PT 14 is NCERT geography, then again higher class NCERT geography, science test, Lakshmikant, everything. Okay, your current affair will include, see, PT 39 to 50 is 12 months of this year's current affair, 2024, and then PT 77 to 80, if you see, it's January to April, and here it is May month also, which is just the month of your prelims. Okay, so you will have 12 plus 6, that is 18 months of current affair PDF you will get monthly, month end you will get this. Okay, and then all the subjects, if you see important bodies, schemes, maps, economics, Nitin Singhania, Spectrum, R.S. Sharma, Satish Chandra, budget survey, full test based on all subject, full test based on every subject mixed, everything is there which you need for your prelims, and this also in your Excel sheet, in one of the sheet I have given. Okay, so this Excel you will get it on day 1 once you enroll. Okay. And then there will be mains test series, which again will go like weekly mains test will be there starting from 1st December, which will go till 2nd March. And this is like subject wise categorized. Okay, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, GS 1, 2, 3, essay, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it will go cycle wise. And each will have just 10 questions or 12 questions. At the end, you will have higher number of questions, 20 to 15 questions. Okay, so this one you will write and we will evaluate and also give model PDF. This and all in the video itself I'll explain some more time so that you get a better benefit. Now again, many students tell like I fall sick, including like me money, we are like falling sick, we are not able to study consistently. This all happens with everyone. Okay, so consistency doesn't mean every day study 8 hours. Okay, you can study like 4 hours, you can study 2 hours, you can study 3 hours, or maybe one day you're not even studying, but at least you go through like what you did the previous day, or just redesign your plan. Something you should do, you should think about the exam. That is called consistency. Okay, and also those who enroll to our prelims and mains, they will get these free goodies. You would have seen a lot of unboxing videos and pictures in our Instagram, and they all love it because it's very high quality one. Okay, we have collaborated with Wildcraft and we are doing this. So all these things will be given free to people who enroll for prelims plus mains. Okay, prelims plus mains package. Okay, only prelims means maybe we'll give one of the thing, maybe a hoodie or maybe a this thing, because these are all very not like very local items and all. As I told, Wildcraft items, it's all each item is more than 1,200 rupees worth of it. So we'll give only to those people who are studying full time from Vysh IAS. Okay. So these are all screenshots. You would have seen me and our team doing it, the packing and unboxing and all. So this we will ship it to you, and it will be different, like based on your state, different dates you will get it, and we'll be happy if you send us these kind of photos and screenshots. Okay, so that we can share it on Instagram and inspire more people to join Vysh IAS. Okay, see, this is a 450-day timetable student. They are all giving their feedback. Okay, because beginners, everybody, they will like it. They will understand. Now you can pause whatever. Now next few screenshots, screens which I am showing, you can simply pause because it's all feedback from students. Okay, see, from Kashmir we have student, from Meghalaya we have student, from Tamil Nadu we have student, Gujarat, Rajasthan, every state I think at least one student will be there in Vysh IAS, and they are depending on our test series, and they keep blessing us. They also tell us about their bad experiences which they face from different other platforms and institutes and all, because they give you very high priced thing, force you to take loans and other things and all. You would have heard all this. Okay, now slowly the coaching institutes and everything, regulations are coming, so hopefully this overcharging and these cheating and these things won't happen. Okay, so people who have enrolled know about us. People who don't know, please pause and read all this, because people keep asking for feedback. Okay, and that is worth it, because without feedback, how will you enroll to anyone? Okay, so please see, I'm just skipping through the slides. Okay, because many students tell me, give me your feedback, give me your students' feedback and all. That is why, see, these are all questions which came in 2022 prelims. So that time student told, see, all these things were directly from our test series. Okay, so like that, every year questions will be solvable from our test series. People after clearing also, they inform us. So that is all like gives us very much like confidence that we can design more and more batches. Okay, see, elimination techniques, these are all 21-22 type. Okay, because nowadays elimination doesn't work that much. And this again is 2023, they are kind of committing that they will crack it. So more videos like this and all, you ask me in WhatsApp, I'll give you, where I tell you what is the problem with UPSC now, what is the changing pattern, whether elimination works now, whether there are easy questions even now, what is my message to UPSC board. This and all I'll give you when you come and ask. Okay, and this again, the Vysh versus UPSC, which I told you in the starting of the video, subject wise, year wise, we have told you like what comes from Vysh IAS, what does not come from Vysh IAS. Okay, so here again, if you see, these are the questions which came in 2024. Okay, 2024 prelims, very difficult questions came, and even though, see, Shakyamuni, Tathagata and all, which are Buddha's names, it's there in our test. See, history full test number 2, here the Shakyamuni was taught, Tathagata was there in full test number 4, MCQ number 90. See, this is from NCERT only. NCERT, we cover it thoroughly. That is why we are telling what we teach you, that alone will be sufficient for you to clear. Okay, and here in our art and culture test, in our R. Sharma test, everywhere this term was there, Tathagata. Okay, so you could have solved it by doing basic text. This is again, see, NCERT screenshot, it is NCERT textbook 1. So here if you see, last year Dhanyakataka question came, this time Chandraketu Gar question came. Okay, which is not in Orissa, it's West Bengal. So this is wrong. Similarly, this is also wrong, and 2 and 3 will be the correct answer here. Okay, that also 2 and 3 both we have covered. See, Inam Gav. And then we give something called revision chart. Many people ask me what is revision chart. Revision chart means summary of certain historical facts and all. Around 80 history charts alone you will get. Total around 250 charts you will get, out of which 80 are history, because history has the most factual things. And every district or every state, every civilization, everything we would have covered this, the features. And this is the maximum which UPSC asks. Okay, more than this you won't need anything. And that we will be giving you along with this package if you enroll. Even to the minimum prelims package you enroll, still you will get all the 250 revision charts. Okay, so these are again questions. Again, you can pause and read. See, Upanishad Purana question was there in our full test. Then there is this Rayatwari and permanent settlement, which is a direct spectrum question, which is again covered in our test, including history. Class 12th it was there. Okay, so everything from basic text only it's coming, but coaching classes are scaring you, telling that it is very difficult, it is not solvable. It is all there in your textbook. Okay, but they are not guiding you the right way. Okay, or it will be current affairs. See, the UNESCO Intangible Heritage Garba dance was added in 2023. This is there in our revision chart. Okay, so like this, if you do our revision chart and test, almost every factual thing. See, this again, the Shantiniketan and Hoysalas and all got added. That also is there in our September 2023 current affair, which we gave to the students, and they could easily answer this in the 2024 prelims. Okay, and many of our students are giving mains also this time, which will be next month. So before that, I hope more serious students come and join us, and they will be also able to write the mains next year. See, the presidential thing, Sachinand, this and all is there in your direct spectrum test itself. Okay, it's not like any complicated. See, this is our Lakshmikant lecture series. In that directly, addition, variation, repeal, addition, variation, repeal. These are all direct questions of 2024. Okay, see, delimitation. This I did in my Hindu editorial of July 21. Direct thing they asked. Okay, how many times it has been amended? So that also, okay, 4 times it has been amended. So everything you simply follow our lectures, our charts, our test series, you will be able to solve whether it's polity question, history question, see ports question. This 2023 prelims now. Okay, till now you saw 24 prelims. Now you see 2023 prelims. This also is there. All left side you see is the UPSC question. Right side you see is my question. Okay, these are all tests you will get when you enroll. You will get all these tests. 99 tests will be given to you. Okay, see marsupial from our environment test number 5. These are all direct. But that year coaching classes scared the students like very difficult questions are coming. Nothing is solvable. Nobody will teach you. Maybe they did not teach you, but we Vysh IAS have taught you this. Okay, so you please see to it that you enroll. Okay, see here, snippet card. Like revision chart, we have snippet card also, because revision chart will be in a table format. Snippet card will be like this, like continuous text format. Okay, in a black color slide, we will put you a lot of factual information which you can glance through on your prelims. Okay, these are all images you can download and put in your phone, and even on the exam day, standing outside the exam hall, you can just glance through it and direct question will come. Example, see Wolbachia bacteria, direct question came in 2023, which was there in our snippet card. Okay, so this is the summary. And now about the packages. You need a sincere, dedicated mindset to join this. You need a mindset to follow our instructions. You need a sense to not ask queries, because I showed you this much feedback, this much like what is snippet card, what is revision chart. Still I get like first message like, sir, what is this revision chart? Sir, how many tests is there? Sir, when is the timetable starting? Sir, do you have mains? Everything I'm telling. So please listen to that and don't ask queries which is already answered. Okay, watch the launch video properly from first to last. And you need an active YouTube account. That means obviously you need an active Gmail account, because some of that videos and all you will have access only if you have that Gmail ID and YouTube which you have subscribed to our Vysh IAS channel. Okay, else you will not be able to watch that video. The video will get paused or stuck in between. Okay, so please have a proper subscribed YouTube ID. Okay, and then the course fee obviously, which I will show you in some time. So again the summary, this which I showed you, 99 test and around 25 mains test. And I am repeating, we do not provide you any notes. We do not provide you any study material. We do not give you any video classes. We are just giving you test. Our test itself is the notes. Our test PDF itself is the notes. Okay, that you have to read as per the dates we tell you. And studying you can do from basic books, from newspapers, from basic internet searches. Everything can be self-studied. Okay, in today's generation, you don't need actually coaching notes or yellow notes or topper notes. Everything is there in the internet. And there's a one mandate that you have to watch my foundational 30 videos, else you will struggle to study. Okay, foundational video eases your journey, and then only you will understand why Vysh IAS is this much worth it. Okay, in the foundation we cover what is UPSC, what is the syllabus, what is the eligibility, how to apply for UPSC, how to put a study room, what is the importance of economic survey budget, what books to study, how to read a newspaper, how to cover current affair, how to make notes, meaning any minimum thing which usually coaching classes will charge you for teaching these basics, we have taught you for free. The mains GS 1, 2, 3, 4 and essay papers 2013 to 2020 free of cost. We have discussed the trend in YouTube itself. That also entire video link you will get on day 1 itself. Okay, so you should join coaching or not other than Vysh IAS, that also I will give you a video. Should you quit your job before UPSC, that also I will give you. Everything basics which you need to know you will get in my foundation video itself. Okay, 10 promises which I make to every batch, that I will make you the most competitive aspirant, and this doesn't mean you will clear. Okay, this means that there is a student in Delhi who is having like maybe an AC, PG and full 3 times meal and full facility, access to all the notes. He's in a very top coaching class with like maybe 2 lakh rupee fees, and the full hostel fees is total 3 lakh, total 5 lakh spending. Everything is there, and you are maybe in a small village, maybe in south of Kerala, or maybe in Maharashtra, maybe in Kashmir. You are sitting somewhere in home and you don't have access to all these things, and you are dependent on online and internet and all these things. Then with our guidance and our test, I will tell you, you both will be equal. The person with all the facilities and the person who is having no facilities, you both will be equal, and you will give a tough competition to that person. That is what I am telling you. You will become the most competitive aspirant in the country. Okay, so we will cover 100% syllabus except optionals and CSAT actually, and other GS related syllabus means through a test I am telling. Okay, we are not giving classes or things. We will give you the test. Okay, so 1 to 3 years actually for your batch is 1.5 years. I showed you 18 months of current affair you will get, and extra you can enroll. Previous year papers already for 4 to 6 years free I have done. More I will do before your exam date. Okay, free of cost on YouTube. And then every needed NCERT and needed standard textbook based tests are there. Every minute subtopic of the main syllabus will be there in the timetable. You can see it. I will show you now. And then obviously 9900 MCQs you will get through our test series itself, and then when you solve a lot of PYQs, which again on free of cost on my channel will be there, close to 14,000 MCQs you will solve, close to 250 plus mains answers you will write and get it evaluated, and we will be there on WhatsApp till you clear all stages of your exam. So we will update also in case you show me any mistake or typo in my material, that also I'll update. Okay, we are not going to deny it, we will update it, okay, in case there is a typo. So who should buy then? Why should you buy? Because you want to clear UPSC by self-studying at home. Okay, and you need 100% of syllabus through test PDF itself. So this plan of 265 days, which will help you 100 plus marks in prelims hopefully, and an expertise in mains answer writing, is going to start on September 2nd, and it will cover all these subjects. Okay, in history, meaning all these textbooks, NCRTs, Spectrum, R.S. Sharma, Satish Chandra, Tamil Nadu textbook, Nitin Singhania, PYQs, and then NCRTs and maps, GC Leong's little important portions, Lakshmikant, all the editions till date, and then Ramesh Singh economics based some questions are there, then Shankar IAS environment is fully covered. Every textbook which you imagine you need for UPSC, based on that there is MCQ made by me with explanation, and you will have 1.5 years of current affairs I showed you. Okay, so this is around 17 months, okay, not 18, 17 months, because January to May and then January to December of this year. So this total, and then economic survey budget related also questions will be there. So this is what you will get in this package. This is again the summary. History there are 17 tests because there is ancient, medieval, modern, art and culture. Current affair there is 17 tests, and then polity there is 12 to 13 tests. Then there is full test, which is a combination of all the subjects. Geography, which includes maps and full test and NCRT. Economics, which includes survey and budget and the textbooks and PYQ. Environment, which covers all the important things. Science, schemes, important bodies. Okay, from every test, at least one question comes in UPSC every year. Okay, that's guarantee from us. So please try to enroll to it. This sheet I have already shown you the PT numbers, PT 13 to PT 111. Effectively, PT 99 test will be there. Okay, for your batch. So mains, will it include or not, that I'll show you. Mains test date I already showed you. Now mains, how will you do and how will you reach us? For anything you have to reach us on this email ID or this WhatsApp. Okay, this WhatsApp you will get quicker replies. Email it may take 24 to 48 hours. Okay, and there's no class taken for you, I am repeating. Prelims is a self-evaluation test PDF. Mains is a evaluation based test series. Okay, so now except optional we cover. So how will you do it? Okay, first you have to see samples. If you want to see our prelims test samples, you just email us 3 free. This code you email us to this email ID. I will send you 3 PDFs. Okay, so that PDF here also in this video I will show you. It will look something like, give me a minute, something like this. Okay, this is like April 2021 old answer PDF where a question is there, options are there, answer is highlighted, explanation is there, the news link is there. This is the answer PDF. The same thing, question PDF, how it will look like. It will look something like this. Okay. See here, there is no answer marked, there is no explanation given, nothing. There will be a PDF where 100 questions are there. See, this is an environment test. Okay, 100 questions are there. Same test will have an answer PDF which will have like this. Okay, the answer is highlighted here, option A from here, option A is highlighted, answer explanation is given, and the little more is there. Okay, I have taken a partial screenshot. So detailed explanation will be there. This one, 3 PDFs I will give you if you email me. Okay, if you email me, I'll give you 3 PDFs into your inbox. See, 3 PDF into your inbox. Based on that, you can decide whether this is helpful for you, whether you can study based on this. Now, 5 packages we have. Pack 1 to pack 5. Pack 1 is the most sold. Okay, pack 1 and pack 4 is the most sold. Where pack 1 is including only the prelims test PDF. Okay, which you will get as per the schedule. Then there is prelims plus package, which is same thing, but out of the 99 test, 20 to 30 or 30 to 40 test will have audio video explanation, meaning I will be reading out the test for you, like question answer. So if you are lazy to read the PDF, only then enroll to this, else it's like simply you are paying extra price to just listen to me the same PDF which is given to you. Okay, then mains package where only mains evaluation if you want. Okay, only mains writing and evaluation, which will happen in December to March. And then there is pack 4, which is nothing but pack 1 plus pack 3. That is your prelims pack, which is a bestseller, plus the mains pack. So that becomes the bigger bestseller, pack 1 plus pack 3. Then same thing, pack 2, which is prelims plus again you want mains. So prelims plus mains. That is pack 2 plus pack 3. So these are the 5 packs. Okay, and every pack will have this one, except for the mains pack. Okay, if you choose pack 3, it won't have, because pack 3 is main specific. So this chart is prelim specific. So wherever prelims is there, that is pack 1, 2, 4, 5, you will get the revision chart and snippet cards. Okay, and this below what you see is extra things. This is not now, maybe after 1 month I will announce it. This is like video classes I am planning, again paid classes. That is different program. Okay, this is not, I am just putting it here. I will do main specific paid classes, mains specific. Okay, that's maybe after your prelims only it will come. So now you have to enroll. If as I told, validity prelims, if you enroll, it is soft copy PDF. So unlimited validity. If you join now also, you can use it again for your 2026 attempt. You can use it for 2027 attempt, because all our subject test, it will be still valid. Okay, only current affairs extra you have to enroll. So lifetime validity for prelims pack. Okay, the video explanation, that is prelims plus package, if you take, then that video explanation will expire. That video will expire in the exam date, but the PDF will be with you. PDF will have lifetime validity. Okay, mains, there is no flexibility, there is nothing. There are scheduled dates, as I showed you, December to March. That exact date itself you have to take the mains test. Okay, but the PDF you will get, the question PDF and answer PDF, when you finish writing, that will have lifetime validity. Okay, you can read it throughout your preparation phase. Okay, for every subject, whether it's world history, whether it's internal security, everything you will have question. So 99 prelims test, 20-25 mains test, and we won't include even one test of CSAT. We won't include even one test of optional. Okay, because that is like little different way you have to approach, and we'll have guidance videos. Okay, in our YouTube there are a lot of guidance video which I can give you. Okay, but we won't have any test based on these things. Okay, so now the pricing also you want to see, and we can wind up this video. Okay, the format I showed you, format I told you, soft copy question PDF, soft copy answer PDF, some test will have video explanation, this revision chart and snippet card will be image format. You can contact us anytime on WhatsApp. Okay, so you have to have an active YouTube account and Gmail account. All these things, what is the thing, everything I showed you. Okay, this is the mains date also, which will be there in your Excel sheet which I give you. And mains, how will you write? That also is one doubt which students have. This is like a sample question PDF. Okay, this is a cover page. In that, like, there is 10 questions are there. Each is 15 mark or 30 mark, and total 150 mark. You will write it. Where you will write it? I will give you a model PDF like this, a white color blank one. This you can print out, one printout, and then take like 100 photocopies of it, take it and keep. And then daily you can write in this. Okay, you will write in this space, so that margin is there, and then in margin I will give you the corrections and comments and your marks and all. Okay, so the 11 out of 15 all is very rare. Okay, UPSC won't give that much marks. So this, if you see, this is the report card of that student. So if you see, first question he got 11, but there are questions in which he got 0 also. So like that, overall out of 180 he got only 49, which is only 27%. So he is in this category. Okay, so like this, your strength, your plus point, your weakness, everything test by test we will evaluate. And also this is the corrected paper. Other than that, the printed model PDF also will get. Printed means again soft copy. Okay, you can print it from your home. So we'll give you the answer also. So in case suppose you don't write anything that week, still you will get the model PDF, so that you can study yourself, because there are many people who join with enthusiasm, but I see that they don't write it weekly. Okay, so they can study from the model PDF, same like you study the prelims self-study thing, you can write it. But if you write it, benefit is that I will give you evaluation and you will get some feedback from me. Okay, if you don't write it, you can simply learn it yourself with a question answer PDF. So the pricing, this is the pricing: 265-day study timetable, 99 scheduled test PDF, this many MCQs and charts and cards, 100% syllabus without CSAT, self-evaluation test PDF, 1.5 years of current affairs, 100 plus marks guaranteed in prelims as per our previous result. Okay, but this don't take it like, okay, next year also it can happen. Maybe UPSC will change the entire trend and this may not happen. So don't take it like a full length guarantee. Okay, so this is the price, this is the thing before September 1, because September 2 the timetable starts. So before that, meaning this 6 days, if you decide to join, flat 4,000 off you will get for every pack. Okay, here also flat 4,000 off, here also there's flat 3,000 off, here flat 8,000 off, here flat 7,000 off. Okay, so this and all, if you see, are different packs: the prelims pack, the prelims plus pack, which has 30 to 50 video explanation. This is the mains only pack. This is the combo, that is pack 1 plus pack 3. This is the combo 2, which is pack 2 plus pack 3. Now many people will tell like, discount is not enough, I need installment. Okay, so we will give you 3-month installment. Okay, the same thing but 3-month installment, meaning in September, October, November you can pay. September, October, November you can pay. Okay, see here, September, October, November you can pay. For every package there, see here, September, October, November, December. Because it's a bigger pack, 4 months installment. Here also till December, 4-month installment. Here also December, 4-month installment. Now even if you now suppose this also is difficult for you, you need a 6-month installment or maybe a little more, you come and ask me in WhatsApp. We will do person to person, case by case, we can work out something for you. Okay, because I don't want any serious aspirant to miss out in the name of money. So we will work out something. Okay, we will work out the installment plans. So this is the overall thing, and I will show you the Excel also as a closing thing. But what you have to do if you have to enroll is WhatsApp 25B4, that is 25 batch 4, to this number 7200681675. Okay, so let me quickly show you this, quickly show you the Excel sheet. Okay, that I'm not explaining and all, I'm just showing you the Excel sheet which you will get on day 1. You can see here Excel sheet. Let me just mark something. Okay, you can see here, this is the summary. See, I'm clicking on each tab, see below, 265 tab, study summary, and then next I'm clicking 99 test PDF, then again I'm clicking 25 mains test will come, then again I'm clicking in the bottom 2024 September 2 September thing, what you have to do. This, if you, is it clickable? Okay, if you click it will take you to the NCERT lecture if it is available. Then if you see again, see here it's not available, but here it's available, clickable. Okay, so next time clicking October 1 to 15, see, you will get the next test. Then you will get June, July current affair. Then you will start reading Lakshmikant. Okay, whatever chapter I tell, that you have to read that day. Okay, only then it will finish. You have to read that. Then again test will be there based on the chapters you read. Then you will read more chapters. The next tab you are clicking, more chapters you have to read, more tests you will get. It will go on like a cycle. Okay, and when it comes December, see, we reach December, your mains test will start. Wherever green color is there, it's mains test. Okay, weekly you have mains test where you will write and we will evaluate. Okay, between whatever is reading, all self-study you have to do. You can do from whichever source you want, or you can Google each thing. You can use the previous questions solved book, any book. Okay, we are not teaching you all these things. We are guiding you. Okay, we are telling you what to study each day, and we are not covering these things. Okay, so if you see here, again, clickable links are there, non-clickable links are there, Naxalism, see, everything we gave you time so that many coaching class simply tell 1 month take and study internal security. But you have no idea what to study in internal security. That is why we have broken down. 1 week take and study each specific topic each day. You will slowly understand that by the end of the year, you are covering every topic. See, spectrum is there. Spectrum is all clickable and free lectures. Okay, you can click on this. So like this, everything. Okay, test is there. Wherever orange is there, it's prelims test. Wherever green is there, it's mains test. Wherever black and white color you see, that is the thing you have to read. Okay, so final when you see, when it's March, April and all, it will be continuous test only. You have to read only my test PDF, 100 questions daily solved, and you will see that you will be easily clearing. For CSAT, we have kept 4 days. Those days also, we will guide you what to do. Okay, just do some previous year questions and watch some of my videos. It will be more than sufficient. Okay, so like this, everything. Current affairs also will be going month on month. So your last test will be May month current affair. May 22nd, I'll give you the May 1 to 21 current affair, and after that 2 days you practice previous year questions, which also in YouTube I'll do for free, and then you will take the prelims test, and hopefully many of you will clear. And then mains also 25 tests are there, out of which 21 has evaluation and 4 of them will have no evaluation. That will be given after your prelims. Okay, that is why we are keeping like that, because there will be some topics which will be that time in popular in news. Okay, maybe some judgment or something. So based on that, fresh questions you have to make. That is why after your prelims 4 extra tests you will get. Okay, this is the overall model. I hope you understood. Now I will again just show you the summary and the code 25B4. You have to WhatsApp me, and then we will take your journey forward and hope you will get your big dream in style. Help us help you fulfill your dream. I will wind up now. Please subscribe and message me today itself. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.